Hey guys, good morning. So Doggy hit my price target of 24 cents. Actually, it stayed around that 25, 24 cents, then completely shit the bed and went down to like 22 cents right now. Absolutely insane. We did create lower lows from these 25-cent mark just now. So as of right now, I would have to only assume that we are headed somewhere down to 7 to like 5 cents. I think that's going to be the next go around. I do think that, I don't think that Doggy has bottomed yet. It's been reacting extremely poorly to Bitcoin's movements. And immediately when I saw that, I'm like, yeah, this thing's going down to all hell. So, my respect to the Doggy Coin millionaire, to that guy. I think it's all. I don't know if he sold or not yet, but yeah, as of right now, I don't want to say I'm pretty sure, but yeah, my next forecast, unfortunately, for Doggy is going to be 5 cents. I do think we're very likely for Doggy to drop to 5 cents, and I think Bitcoin's now, because of the recent drop, I think we're very likely to drop down to 30K, and then possibly from there, trigger another sell-off that would take us down even further to maybe lows of like 19 and 25K. But yeah, I mean that sucks. I mean, I don't know. I mean, I'm still happy. I'm shorting. I've been shorting Doggy since like 60 cents, right? So I'm still gonna be holding my Doggy positions just because I do think it's gonna go down to like 5 cents. Unfortunately, I'll see you guys later.